Hi, Kelly from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. What we have here is a Honda CB750 Automatic right-hand exhaust. We believe this fits the 77 and 78 CB750 Automatics. This one has very nice chrome, however, it does have some road rash. There's an area here and another area on the pipe further up right here. They're kind of low on the pipe, so this would actually show pretty darn well on a bike. The mounting bracket is included. We will remove this for shipping just so it doesn't poke a hole in the carton, but it will come with it. I can even show you the end of the pipe if that shows up okay. This will be on our e-store as well as the other side. We're going to have both sides listed separately on the e-store. And this thing, again, as you can see, what you would normally see mounted on the bike looks really nice. The road rash is pretty well hidden down low. So it would present very well on a nice used rider